Yep. Yeah, slick out that door in the back.
Uh-oh.
The chase is on. Uh-oh, boy. Let me mount, Doctor. You got it. No. Yeah. It dove.
He's to the right.
Hey,
Over
yeah,
here. To the right. Right at them pintails. He's swimming.
That'll do. Kill him, kill him. Oh, nice shot. Yep. Kill him. How about now? There we go. Come on, Tuck. You got a bum wheel.
That's not being retrieved to see.
He hung in there though, didn't he? He kept coming.
See how he does on his ice. He can get up on that ice.
There's four at 12 coming right over.
Get up there, boy. Grab him like the 4-wheel.
Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
If that duck goes to dry land, it's in trouble.
He is giving it a dedicated effort over there.
Oh, shit.
He's up on the hill. He's up on the levee.
Yeah, it's getting ready to go up over the levee.
Kill him. Kill him. Shoot that green head. Shoot that green head. Shoot that green head. Oh, boy. Yep. Shoot.
I think he's froze up.
I was gonna get.
Got him. Watch a low one.
Would have been a fun group.
Got one to break off.
Kill him.
I got one. He ain't dead. Does anybody got a shell? Get him? No. There you go. Somebody got a piece. Should be done now.
Sit. Sit.
Dead.
Good boy.
Well, that was a hell of a group. Going behind.
Kill him.
Damn. What are you guys doing?
Shit.
Got them all.
Hi.
Nice.
I'm going after him because that will be my limit, gentlemen.
Sit here. Oh, he's gonna try. There you go.